dumb job already! Are you poor with words or what? Let's talk, you chief assistant! Heel, frog!
Boss of what? Hogwash?
You're not fooling anyone, fraud! Firstly, I need to get more info on this pointless shit! I'm the anthology anomaly! Step back, jackpot! Hey, pal! My sympathy is gonna cost you for every condolence.
Oh no, what a barbarity. Who could dare? What do you suckers do for a living?
You fool! Sponsor my demons! Feed me the cash! Damn it! Shut up! You know, I don't even believe anything! But you're bleeding out some real bullshit here! You're a fluke!
Event?
Don't you dare hang up that phone!
What you playing? As promised, I remember someone throwing me off a bridge. I'm not angry though. Say, you wanna play tag? I'm it. Too slow. You guys look slow too. Do you need a head start? King! To you who stray so far from home, to me who's trapped beneath these toes. We'll play forever, me and you, when you pave the land and not like you! I'm bored! Is the draining spell ready yet? I wanna play and see everything go! Betrayed, beguiled, alone, deceived! We'll have our revenge on... Unity is so hard to rhyme. Ooh, you were mad! I thought you were gonna go on that kid. I can't wait to get out of this prison! There are so many games I want to play. If we need a third player, we can make another group walker. Just free me already! You promise! You need to have more faith in pinky swears. He's my friend, right? He wouldn't lie. He wouldn't. Hello? We spent hundreds of years playing his game. I want to play a new game. But you said you'd let me out. I hate it here. You better not be fibbing. You pinky swore me. We did it. It's done. Now you can set me free and we can play new games. Excuse a what now? You said you'd use the Titan blood to help free me. But you said we were friends. We pinky swore. You lied! Liar! I gave you the draining spell. I taught you magic stronger than anybody's. Leave me alone. I don't associate with fibbers. Wait, I know someone's there. I can feel it. But why can't I see you?
They broke my comedy mask. What about Zubul? My comedy mask is broken again. We saw Gloink carry one of Zubul's pieces down there, remember? How is Kaufmo doing? I hope he's not still mad at me for not laughing at his jokes. I think it's a mask. No, I always lose. What's happening? Kaufmo abstracted? Does anybody hear that? Which door should we choose? It feels normal. Like in a good way. I think you'd look good with one. Can we maybe pick one that's more normal? Yeah, that's pretty normal. I think I might be able to give it a swing. Being a shift manager was my job at one point. Well, I guess I should get into manager mode and get us all kicked off.
That's all, GNG. Play VB!